Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who are going, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just going to jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
So now people, we have Tashina Patterson, alleged accused murderer, lled Bradshaw mother right here. And she's exposing a bag of thing about Phillip Paulwell people. And basically she say, yo, a Phillip Paulwell responsible for the killing of Tashina Patterson and his own baby viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? And basically she even exposed at the end of the day, them tell the police, say, yo, check the camera way in a Phillip Paulwell car. And Phillip Paulwell tell them, say, no, him no want the camera check. And she even exposed, say, yo, Phillip Paulwell never really did want the trial because at the end of the day, Phillip Paulwell, I say, yo, when the DNA do, even if the child come out, say, yo, a film, he must say, yo, money can pay to make anything happen and baiting, and the judge can be buy out and baiting people. You see me, I say, and basically she even exposed, say, yo, Phillip Paulwell is a shaky man, people. And me, I don't know what I mean in time, I say shaky man. You don't know, Phillip Paulwell is a rare man, he's a round man. You see me, I say, people. Yeah, she exposed a bag of thing about that people. You see me and I Evo say, yo, why Phillip Paulwell and him wife did really break up overall. You see me I say, yeah, it's because them catch Phillip Paulwell with a shaky man. You see me? So basically people, a whole heap of things she say, yo, she even say something where me really have to look into people. You see me I say, because she say basically, she not say her daughter innocent because her daughter did know what go on. So right now, lled Bradshaw mother right now expose a bag of thing, people. It is very interesting. I'm really want to really take in this reasoning. You see me I say, people, because basically, let me tell you this. Yo, justice I go come out of this to same speed. You see me I say, because we all know that lled Bradshaw work for the law department in America. You see me I say, so whole heap of people are going to get drawn into this. And believe me, people, to where this gone right now, justice I go come out of it. Them can't hide it again. You see me I say, even though you don't know, say, as it take another turn, then there's another turn. And you know, it's a one bag of mix up, people. But me really want to check out this recording that I have right now, people, where basically, yo, the mother, yeah, lled Bradshaw mother, she exposed a bag of thing, people, where a whole heap of people never know and never did expect. You see me I say? So people, I want to check out this recording and drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation.
Wait, name the camera into the car. They can look on it, and Paulwell said no. And then the next day, she got a phone call, so the police asked her. When she tell Paulwell, she go tell Paulwell, tell her not to tell the police, but him go to hell and go tell the police. So Mr. Leader, you know, something is adding up or not add up. You say you go to the police to tell the police that this is your whereabout, where you go, but you know, him no want you for tell him. But after him left in the house, him gone to the police station. So that all that look. And she said, Mommy, I don't know what is going on, but 2 men come to the house. 2 men come to us and them said to Paulwell say, them know so she come downstairs and say, she young in you old. You don't know how true it is, but you know you can make she go down because there's a more favor if you go in a prison. You hear me? She said when before the everything happened, he had a camera in his and if I in the living room or the den or wherever him have the camera, and she turned, he start to make noise and wow. Me no know she saw the top, but she kind of scared. Some say she tell him say, get the security company to come remove the camera, and they remove the camera and wipe off the things we were saying. But it was 2 men there, she says. She said, Mommy, that's why him asked me if I tell him what me know. Well, Yoda said, me say, you tell me, say, yeah, Loda that Dubai, yeah, Loda that Washington, D.C. You tell me, say, yeah, Loda not involved, and you tell Yoda to stay here and come because you want to change the DNA. When she sent me the picture with the little girl, I said to her, this baby look like Izzy when Izzy a baby. So why I wanted to change, his thing was for her to come and she says everybody can be bought. So I say, everybody can be bought. What that mean, Leoda? And she say, Paulwell and his sister want, if the girl go to the DNA change, all when the DNA says not, is his child. And the lawyer, the judge can be bought. As I sit in here, I'm baptized and I'm a child of God. So Paulwell know exactly, because he have no remorse but no blooming baby. Paulwell, you never want, because the girl I exposed Paulwell, the girl going up Paulwell, brain of the computer and take out all of the things them. Some picture what Leoda sent me where Paulwell, where the girl exposed Paulwell and the PMP party know about it. So that him no want to lose nothing. You hear me? So this is not Leoda. If Leoda know about it, Shelly, Leoda not the one that Paulwell do every damn thing. We not say she innocent because she know what them they plan for do.
Alright, people, I want to listen to the part there. When she basically say, yo, she not say her daughter innocent because at the end of the day, her daughter did already know what them did plan for do. You see me, I say, and right there, so she didn't even know, say, yo, she sink her daughter a certain way. Yeah, because basically that really proves, say, yeah, the daughter did know about the whole ordeal and know, say, it go take place, even though I know she do it. You see me, I say, so basically, people, me really want to tell me what you get from that. You see me, I say, what the mother really I say, yo, you understand what I mean? She not say her daughter innocent because the daughter did already know what going on. So that means she is a part of all of this because she did know she could have reported to the police. You see me, I say, she could have tell somebody, she could have even informed Tashina Patisi. You see me, I say, but hear what people, carrying on to the video.
You hear me?
Yeah. How do you feel about it when you hear this?
I tell us, I'm this news? Cry. I cried. I'm so
especially with the fear of a 10-month-old.
Yeah, man. That is totally wrong. As me tell you, when she said, "Mommy, me have something to tell her what them plan to do." So me say, "Lord God Almighty, I am
so you know about this plan? Like them talk about it?
No, it says. She tell me that that in the Leoda of Miami, they planned to change the DNA. They never want the girl to have the baby. They never want the baby to be owned for Phillip.
Oh.
So them a come now and I said, so he must set up Leoda to talk to the girl. So Leoda talk to the girl because the Leoda every message to the girl because the Leoda every message what the girl send Leoda send it. I have them. You understand? Me, they said gray vehicle. Paul will drive a gray vehicle. Paul will drive an orange looking vehicle.
Like a champagne color.
Yes. Yes. But they said gray vehicle.
So let me ask you a question. There's a voice note going on around that said the day of the kidnapping, he went jogging.
Nothing like that, Paul. You must have Lisa Anna put out. They said Lisa Anna went there to clean up Paulwell's house when Leoda is there. So all of that foolishness. And him never come out and do, he never want bed, he not eat no food. So what kind of strength him could have? Everybody look at alibi. Him go jog. What kind of strength Paulwell could have when him ask I have diarrhea every 5 minutes? Because he knew exactly what he do. Eh?
Mr. Pierce said, this what kind of long jog in this kind of heat.
You understand me? But him go have jog and then the car missing. That is a lie. And as the bloggers, listen to me, no baby or no woman, because as me said to you, I was mad. I said, Leoda, what the reason why Paulwell's wife left Paulwell? Because they catch him a grand man. How much different pictures is out with Paulwell is a bisexual and you want to go wobble in a Paulwell nest. Look how you're pretty. You can't find one man in the law firm where you're working at. Where you want to come down your Paulwell and lower you down to put the wrong things. And right about now, as me tell you, I call him to find out how many
so are you telling our tea timers that Phillip Paulwell is bisexual?
Yes.
You have receipts?
If me have received, everybody don't know that. Shelly, you know that too. So stop the craziness. Shelly, you know that. Let me see some pictures of the little. As I said, Phillip don't have a type. Phillip don't have no type. Him not have no type. He doesn't have a time because so little girl let me see. Well, you sent to my phone. I'm saying this is where you got book ticket for go take next one extra from Montego because you can't find one flight to go down there so to come for Philip. She said, Mommy, ask her help to go talk to the girl and what the girl do. And the girl, so she never, him never want a baby from her, but she carry her baby. She says it's $40,000 Philip sent every month to give the girl. Too much months. And at the same time, does he see the baby? No, the girl send up and say he never see the baby. So as I say, him only put up, even the other lawyer says, I don't understand why Philip put up 500,000 and the baby mother everything. Yes, so nobody never helped Philip to go to come out and say what is the baby. To help to say find the baby or find the mother because Philip knows that the girl didn't expose him to the PNP.
I found it very strange. I think me and a few bloggers, social blogger, myself, about a handful of thank God for us bloggers because when Miss Patterson and the little baby Phillip Paulwell's daughter went missing, we were all wondering why the PNP or the GNP, why Lisa Havana, why Babsy Grinch, why nobody not putting up this poster? Is that me saying I believe allegedly? So,
I'm so stressed.
Have you spoken to her since?
No, but I block off the phone because the man, I just want to tell the man, say.
So people, right there is where the audio complete, you see me I say, and basically we have to big up Shelly and Curran for this interview, you see me I say, because me not like really expose a lot of things to the media, you see me I say, and as what I said before, this thing just take a twist and a turn. But people, more want to really tell me what to think about all of this one here in this recording, people, you see me I say, because basically, as what I said before, a whole heap of things are exposed, you see me I say, and when she go mention say at the end of the day, yo, our daughter is not really innocent at the end of the day because our daughter did know. It simply means say basically the daughter is guilty of conspiracy. You see me I say people. So at the end of the day the daughter not really innocent. You see me I say because she didn't know about everything what go on. You see me I say people. She even say at the end of the day say yo Phillip Paulwell never did really want the baby because them did try to change the DNA and that was the plan and be a thing. So at the end of the day you can see say yo them never did really want Tashina Patterson around. You see me as a people, and at the end of the day, them even say, yo, why nobody in a parliament, Babsy Green, nobody at all, no really post nothing about this. You see me I say, at the end of the day, this come like everybody did know about it and be a thing. You see me I say. But really and truly, people, in my own personal opinion, me just feel like say justice I go come out of this. You see me I say, somebody I go down for this basically. You see me I say, cause watch know at the end of the day. You see them look a twist and turn where you see it attack, and every minute it's like, yeah, we hear something new. It just simply means that the truth are revealed little by little people. Yeah, and she basically I say Phillip Paulwell is a shaky man people. You see me I say, someone want to tell me what you really think about that and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section about it. You see me I say. But hear what people, that is just my opinion still. You see me I say, more want to tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah man, share your thoughts man and make we discuss it man. You see me I say. Also, if you're a new viewer, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like, yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here, people. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.